Buy this or maybe that at Islands of Adventure. Did you know that at the front of the park in the port of entry at the Expedition Photograph, they sell some merchandise in here? There's a Jaws tank top right up front for $25. I like this one a little better. The Amity Island Shark Tours for $30. There's a section for Jurassic Park. That red shirt you see right there, that is $37. My bad, $27. Time to put on the reading glasses. A section for Back to the Future. This shirt, also $27. And a little section for Jaws. The yellow Jaws shirt, which I think I might need to buy. $30 for it. That is what the front of it looks like. There is the back graphic. Says, we're going to need a bigger boat. Let me show you a thing or two inside of the Christmas shop. $37 for this Grinch pajama shirt. Says ho ho no. And can anyone guess the price of this Grinch plush backpack? Very soft, very plushy. Yeah, you guessed. $44.99 plus tax. You've guessed it all. How about something for your toddler? Cutest Grinch, $30. How about this Happy Christmas pillow? $35. The back side is just red, but the front side, super cute. Alright, it's not even Halloween yet, so not even the 4th of July yet, so enough of the Christmas stuff. Buy this or maybe that inside of Seuss Landing. Buy some green eggs and ham for $11.49. Green eggs, diced ham, white cheddar sauce over tater tots. Let's take a look inside of Cats, Hats, and Things. Here is what the inside of the shop looks like. $30 for this Trust Me, I'm a Doctor t-shirt. A vintage looking Cat in the Hat t-shirt for $27. A varsity looking Cat in the Hat t-shirt is $30. This ladies cut t-shirt bad? Who, me? $33. I've never seen one of these. A birthday thing. This one here for kids, $19.95. This one for smaller kids, $17.95. Cat in the Hat plush, $17. I don't know how much the cat is, but the hat, $27. $37 for this Cat in the Hat varsity looking sleep shirt. What do they have inside of the Mulberry Street store? Well, it's a very descriptive sign. They have gizmos, gadgets, and goodies galore. Let's go see some. This is your place for thing stuff. Thing 1, thing 2, 3, and 4. $30 per t-shirt. Maybe you are a nerdy thing. Well, if you are, you want this t-shirt. And it's $29.95. Hoodie things, 1 and 2. Each one would be $55. The child size thing hoodies are $48. Just double check. Yes, $48. Thing 1, thing 2, 3, and 4. Thing 1 and Thing 2 pajama shorts for $30. $35 for the pajama pants, which, what do you expect? It's like way more material. And for just $5 more. What pet should I get? Pick your very own pet today and receive an official adoption certificate. Each one of these pet plushes are $19. But you also get that adoption certificate, and I assume comes in one of these. That thing is my brother. That thing is my sister. The price of these things, $25 a piece. Buy this or maybe that inside of the Lost Continent. One of the main shops is here called Treasures of Poseidon. I'm sure there's 1 or 2 things worth showing in there. A lot of necklaces and bracelets and rings, stuff like that. It took me a while, but I found something. I've never seen this shirt before. A dragon t-shirt for $45. I'm not sure what it's made out of. Maybe like polyester or something. Not sure. But there's that one. And then here is the other one. The same price. Also a lot of just like generic Universal Studios merchandise throughout this half of the store. The heraldry has pink unicorn t-shirts. This one is $30. This one's $25. So I think that's child sizes and adult sizes. Now we have a fairy on a unicorn holding a dragon, a little baby dragon, for $30. This Celtic looking dragon, also $30. What do you do with these? I'm guessing put it in your hair? Guess the price. This is $33. Wow. $30 for the Dueling's Dragon t-shirt. Dueling Dragons, Universal Orlando, $30, a classic ride. And you can still get the t-shirt. And I'm not sure, but maybe you want some of these shirts to wear while you are watching House of Dragon. Maybe. Maybe you wear that when watching that show. In which case you would have to buy this and also buy that. The leggings here are $25. The tank top looks like $30 for it. If you are a Harry Potter fan, you could probably buy this or maybe that inside of Hogsmeade. A plush owl for $40 for it. The book bags you see here, each house, $50 per book bag. The journals are $25. As you exit Hagrid's, there's this little merchandising kiosk, has a Hagrid's Magical Creatures Motorbike Adventure t-shirt for $33. That's the front, but you'd be more interested in seeing the back. There you go. The plush spiders. Spiders? The spiders are $22 if you enjoy a plush spider. A freshly picked Cornish pixie for $16. The next cart over has this Hogshead t-shirt. That's the back graphic. It says $20.99. And there is the front. Filch's Emporium has house robes for $139. That's $139, $139 for a robe. See, there's the price right there. The Hogsmeade Snowman is $22. This is the exit to the ride, so it's always like super duper crowded in here. Actually, today, all of Hogsmeade is very crowded. Welcome to Jurassic Park. Into the Dino Store. A child's Jurassic World t-shirt, $24. The adult anime style Jurassic t-shirt, look at that graphic there, $30 for it. The blue one here, also $30. $29 for this photo frame. Pretty cool looking. It's heavy too, but that's a cool little spot to put your picture. $17 for the Jurassic World mug. Same graphic on both sides of the mug. And inside, that's what that looks like. So here's a little bit of a deal. See this Dino Bubble Wand valued at $27? Well, it's only $18 plus tax if you purchase $40 or more of other merchandise. You decide, is it worth it? $27 value, but get it for $18 plus tax? You decide. The other day in Toon Lagoon, I saw a t-shirt I had never seen before. Let's see if it is still in here. It was at this store here, right under Hagar. Here it is for $30, and I'm assuming since we just had Father's Day recently, this is kind of left over from Father's Day, but best pops ever. And I really like the way they did the colors with that. Kind of cool. $35 for the Hello Kitty Stanley style cup. $25 for the Hello Kitty pillow plush. There's the front side, the back side says Hello Kitty, and I'm gonna say goodbye Kitty. Have I shown these Hello Kitty bum bags or fanny packs? That's what the front of it looks like right there. $60, and then that's the back of it right there. I don't think I've shown these before, but now you've seen it. And this shirt looks unfamiliar to me. A ladies t-shirt for $27. Is that right? No, $37. $37 says A Star Is Born for $37. At the Midway games, you can buy this or maybe that. When it comes to the play pass deals, a single play you can buy for $10. $30 gives you 5 game plays. $60 gives you 10 game plays, plus they'll give you one of these to start with. And your game pass is good here near Toon Lagoon, the Midway games at Jurassic Park, and in Krusty Land. In Marvel, buy one of these faces. These face paints vary in price. The deluxe is $20.99, and the premium is $24.99. Inside of the Spider-Man gift shop, I don't know if I've seen this before, but for $23, a child's t-shirt. I like that graphic. Well, I hope I didn't make you spend too much money today, because I wanted to have some left over for when you visit themummycoffeecompany.com. Use promo code SHIP and get free shipping with your order. So, with all that being said and done, don't miss the magic, don't miss the fun. See you next time.
It's gonna be a good day, Rick and Nikki show the way.